ourselves in a very different world at the moment. At Twincare International, we like to take advantage of situations like this. So the educators have put something together to share a little light, to increase productivity and to keep the optimum levels up.
Set a plan, have a routine. It's important to have a mindset for work, study and leisure.
Pajamas are a no-no.
Let your mind and your body know it's time to be switched on.
And PJs don't transmit the energy you need to make your day productive.
It is essential to find a spot in your house that allows you to concentrate and be productive, especially if you're living in a studio apartment like me. And avoid places where you normally come to relax, like the bed or the couch. I always say it's good if you can get natural light, but if you can't, make sure that you're close to an open window and have a little place set out for you where you can sit down, concentrate and work.
Schedule your breaks, because just like exercising, you can't go without rest breaks. You need to recharge those batteries to achieve your goals.
Learn to disconnect. You need to unplug. Give yourself a break. This will prevent frustration and enable you to keep strong and motivated.
Use the time to upskill yourself. Learn to paint, do an online course that interests you, perfect that yoga move, or perfect that recipe.
It is essential to remain positive. Focus on the here and now and what motivates you to keep on moving forward. It is sure a complex time, but these are going to be the times that define us.